Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Chainlink tokens from KuCoin to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. If you're holding Link on KuCoin and want to move it to a more secure spot like Coinbase, you're in the right place. This process is simple, but always double-check everything to avoid any hiccups with crypto transfers. First things first, make sure you have your KuCoin account set up and verified, along with your Coinbase wallet address ready. You'll need that wallet address handy. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so copy it carefully from your Coinbase app or website. Step 1. Log into your KuCoin account. Once you're in, head over to the Assets or Wallets section. Find your Chainlink link balance there. Click on it and select the Withdraw option. This will open a withdrawal form. Next, in the withdrawal form, choose the correct network. Chainlink usually runs on the Ethereum network, so select that to ensure compatibility with Coinbase Wallet. Then, paste your Coinbase wallet address into the recipient field. Double-check this address. Crypto is unforgiving if you enter it wrong. Now, enter the amount of Link you want to send. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees if needed. Review all the details one last time, then hit Confirm, and approve the transaction with any required 2FA codes. After that, sit tight. Transactions can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Coinbase wallet to confirm the link has arrived. If it doesn't show up, don't panic. Just wait a bit longer or check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. And there you have it. Your Chainlink is now safely in your Coinbase wallet. Always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets for long-term storage and never share your private keys. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.